Do you want to answer incoming calls by pressing the volume up button instead of tapping the screen? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you use the volume up button to answer calls, which can be more convenient in certain situations. Let me show you how. First, open the phone app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Answering and Ending Calls. Here, you will find Press Volume Up to answer calls. Simply turn the feature on or off. For this example, let's enable it. With this setting, when someone calls you, instead of tapping the answer button on the screen, you can simply press the volume up button to answer the calls. However, if you prefer answering calls by tapping the screen, simply turn this option off. And that's how you answer calls with the volume up button on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.